So the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad is teaching us that we got to take control of our education and gives us examples. And he says they're not going to teach us modern warfare, defense, birth control, chemistry, because these represents power knowledge, knowledge that allows a people to protect themselves, control their population, and advance scientifically. So no nation in history funds institutions with the intentions of being overthrown. You get that? If we get federal funding, if we're getting state funding, they're never going to fund any institution that's going to overthrow their government. So they're never going to teach us that prerequisite knowledge to put us in a condition where we could plant our own flag. So the Honorable Elijah Muhammad is teaching us that if your education is controlled by others, it may not fully serve your rise. This does not mean there is no value in education, because he's an advocate of us getting education. But it may not be complete for our salvation of a people. So the messenger teaches we need the education that eliminates division among us and acquire an education that creates unity and makes us desire to be with our own. The acquiring of knowledge for our children and ourselves is a must. We must install in our people the desire to learn and then use that learning for self. We must be obsessed with getting the type of education we may use toward the elevation and benefit of our people.